get started, I just want to let you know that I have checked all my local laws and regulations regarding shooting and the safety of it, and also with Tannerite. So I just wanted to make sure that I was safe as possible while doing this, and that I was following all laws and regulations according to my local area. I advise you to do the same. Alright, happy shooting. Alright guys, what we're going to do today is something a little different. I've always wanted to try and explore with Tannerite. So today, we got a box of some Tannerite, 2 pounds Tannerite, along with some flour. We got a little more flour there. We're going to set this up, shoot it about, I don't know, 75 yards away, 100 yards away, and see what it does. Okay, so when you get the Tannerite, it's going to come in this jug here with 2 packets of powder, and then you got the white beads here. You're going to pour the white beads from this container into the big container, put these packets in here, and shake it up, and then when you're done, you're going to put it back into this container, and this is going to be the one that you're going to shoot it in. So let me get to mixing. There's 2. Put the cap on. And you're going to want to shake it up until it turns all gray. I wouldn't go too crazy with the shaking, but just enough to really mix it up in there. Shake them side to side while rotating the jug. Give it all a good coat. They're looking pretty well covered there. Give it a little bit more. We're going to pour it back into the little container. Now, you're going to notice that it won't fit completely all in there. So we're going to have a little left over. You can see there, it kind of goes over the top. But just get in there, get as much in there as you can. Screw the lid back on. And put it in the box. I'm going to put it right in the center. Kind of lower down. Put a bag of flour on top, and we're going to tape it up here. All right, let's get back there. So the gun of choice today is my AR-15, chambered in 5.56 .223. We've got .223 loaded in it right now, and there's the distance there. See the box down there? I'll have my GoPro set up down there. And let me get everything set up and going, and we'll get to shooting. Well, there you have it. That's all that's left. Just a bunch of flour. Now I gotta pick up my mess. Here we go. Okay, so that makes a very loud boom, which is expected being Tannerite, but that made an awesome cloud. So this is actually a practice for a gender reveal that we got going on for our first baby. So I'm super excited to try this out. We do have the powder. That was 8 pounds of flour with 2 pounds of Tannerite. We're going to be doing 10 pounds of colored powder to 2 pounds. So that should create a little bit more of a cloud, but I think that was a pretty good match. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll show you what we got coming. See ya.